say if we'll only avoid any confrontation with the enemy, he'll forget his evil ways and learn to love us. All to oppose, all to oppose.
What's going on, my YouTube fam, on this Thursday? Thursday is hotter than a mug out here. I'd like to welcome all my new subscribers, continued subscriber. Thank you for showing the support to the E-Crew for the early notification game. You guys are always on the spot. I appreciate you. Some other things keep in mind. I will be having that drawing on Sunday. I'm probably going to go live. So I decided I'll bump it up a couple of bucks. Instead of two $20 gift cards, the giveaway going to be two $25 gift cards, because you still got a lot of heat coming out. So once we do the winners, notify me either email, you can hot DM me on IG, and I will get that out to you, because you got the Flynet 3s. I don't know how you guys feel about that. That's going to be $200. You got the International 5s coming at the end of the month. I think they $190. You're still going to have your 4 Raptors NRG Quick Strike. So $200, $25 off. You can use that toward that. That will help. For those of you who have military and coupons on other shoes that's not NRG, and it doesn't have to necessarily be Jordan, you can use it to whatever you want to use it. All I ask is you let me know who the person you bring in by the handle or name or however you want to do it. Or you can DM me on E_money_shoes on IG, so I can know I can give you credit, put you in the contest. To date, we only have a few people, and you can enter multiple times. Now, without all that gibberish, without further ado, let's get into this review. Okay, as you can check it out, Air Max 270, size 10.5. I just went up a half a size. My true size is a 10, but these felt okay going up half a size, which I normally do. Fisher colorway, white, metallic, gold, black. Suggested retail price on them things is $150. I got these from Shoe Palace. They only get 10% off. Every little bit helps. Got your QC sticker up there, and got your stamp around. Nothing spectacular about the paper. Like I said, I started going to give different qualities on different shoes. And here you go. I guess eventually I maybe hop back on the camera. I like to focus on the shoe and not my ugly mug. So, right off the rip, on the bottom, you got all this black, Air Max in black with your big bubble, hovercraft bubble in the back. All black there. Coming around on the toe, got you got your Max and funny looking material, like a plastic almost there. You got your gold check. You got your netting or mesh netting here. You got your rope laces, and you got your mesh here with Air 270 in gold. You see you got that gold swoosh coming around on the side. Some more of this mesh and look like a plastic material. You got your gold swoosh there. Got this for breathability. You got your Air 270, and then you got this jet black bubble in the back, hovercraft bubble, and you got that 270. I don't know if you can see it, but it's in there. You got your gold hits of Air, then you got Air 270 with your swoosh on the pull tab. On your medial side, pretty much the same thing. Gold check, 270. The only thing I probably would do with these, I would replace these white laces with gold tips. That would have really set it off to bring out more of the shoe. But hey, it's supposed to be a shoe for comfort, so I guess you ain't gonna be trying to really make it all that. And then the inside, as you can see, you got the Air Max in gold. So you guys let me know in the comment suggestions below. So which one you think looks better? Those or these? Leave a comment suggestion below. Now on the fire meter, I will give these black and gold, simple colorway, but definitely dope, just because they are blacked out tint in the bottom or in the back. So I will give this shoe, I'll be generous, I give it a 4.5 out of 5. You guys let me know what you think. Would this be a cop or would this be a pass? Thank you for leaving your comments. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. It's your boy, E Double, and I'm out. Deuces.
Corner could get you rich. Let me go, gang. You already know I'm about to say, nigga. I'm always in the streets. I'm street, nigga. Fuck you thought. Count up.